Welcome to Smart Tech 4K. Today, we're exploring the biggest and most powerful mining machines in action. Get ready for some mind-blowing engineering. Let's go. Number 10. Volvo EC950F. The Volvo EC950F is a powerhouse in the world of crawler excavators. Equipped with the mighty Volvo D16J engine, it roars to life with 603 horsepower, 450 kilowatt, while meeting Tier 4 Stage V emission standards. This beast weighs between 91,275 and 94,810 kilograms, and boasts a bucket capacity of 3.9 to 7 millicubic. With a maximum lifting capacity of 34,900 kilograms, a digging reach of 12,270 millimeters, and a digging depth of 7,120 millimeters, this machine is built for the toughest jobs. Its breakout force of 424 kilonewtons and drawbar pull of 408 kilonewtons make it a dominant force in mining and large-scale infrastructure projects. Number 9. Komatsu PC1250-11 engine. The Komatsu PC1250-11 is a true giant among crawler excavators. Weighing in at 113,000 kilograms, it is powered by the Komatsu SAA6D17DEE-7 engine, delivering a staggering 786 horsepower, 586 kilowatts. The massive bucket ranges from 6.7 to 7.5 millicubic, making it ideal for large-scale excavation tasks. Measuring 12,000 millimeters long, 4,000 millimeters wide, and 4,000 millimeters tall, this machine is built for heavy-duty operations. Its hydraulic system operates at 34.3 megapsg with an impressive pump flow rate of 2,000 liters per minute. With a travel speed of 3.3 kilometers per hour at high gear and 2.3 kilometers per hour at low gear, it moves efficiently on rough terrains. Meeting Tier 4 Final Stage 4 emission standards, PC1250-11 is not just powerful, but also fuel efficient, making it a top choice for mining and infrastructure development. Number 8. Caterpillar MD6200. Introducing the Caterpillar MD6200, a high-performance crawler drill engineered for demanding drilling operations in mining and large-scale construction. This machine can drill holes between 127 and 200 millimeters in diameter, reaching depths of up to 47.58 meters. Powered by the robust CAT C18 Acert engine, 589 horsepower, 439 kilowatts, flutters, MD6200 meets Tier 4 final emission standards. Featuring advanced air compressors, it supports both rotary and down-the-hole DTH drilling, with capacities of 1,150 CFA and 1,050 CFA, respectively, with an impressive lifting capacity of 11,907 kilograms and a pulling capacity of 15,876 kilograms. This machine is built to excel in the harshest working environments. Number 7. Doosan DX530 LC5. The Doosan DX530 LC5 is a heavy-duty crawler excavator designed for maximum productivity, weighing 52.1 tons. It is driven by a Scania DC13 engine that delivers 380 horsepower, 283 kilowatts, with a torque of 1,764 newton-meters, 3.2 millicubic bucket capacity, digging depth of 6.755 meters, and reach of 10.445 meters, ensure exceptional performance in construction and mining. Not just about power, this machine also prioritizes operator comfort and safety, featuring an advanced air conditioning system and an overload warning system for seamless operation. Number 6. Komatsu 860E1K. When it comes to heavy-duty mining trucks, few can match the Komatsu AN60E1K. Powered by a Komatsu SSDA 6160 engine that unleashes a jaw-dropping 2,700 horsepower, this beast reaches speeds of 64.5 kilometers per hour. Designed for massive haulage operations, its truck bed has an enormous capacity of 169 millicurie stores, SAE 2.1, while the entire truck weighs 448,113 kilograms. The AC electric drive system and torque control technology optimize fuel efficiency and performance, making it a dominant force in large-scale mining. For added safety and reliability, it features a hydraulic disc brake system, Komatsu Hydrair 2 suspension, and a state-of-the-art vehicle health monitoring system, VHMS, for remote diagnostics. Number 5. Komatsu 930E4SE. Komatsu 930E4SE is a powerhouse of a haul truck engineered to dominate large-scale mining operation. At its core lies a Komatsu SSDA 18V17 engine, roaring with 3,500 horsepower, propelling this massive machine to a top speed of 64.5 kilometers per hour. With a spacious 211 millicurie truck bed and a staggering gross vehicle weight of 505,755 kilograms, this beast is built for serious heavy lifting. Its AC electric drive system, featuring a 32.62:1 gear ratio, works seamlessly with a hydraulic disc brake system and Komatsu's Hydrair 2 suspension, ensuring smooth and stable performance even in the toughest terrains. Adding to its cutting-edge technology, the Vehicle Health Monitoring System, VHMS, enables remote diagnostics, keeping the truck in peak condition for maximum efficiency and reliability. Number 4. Hitachi EX1900-5. The Hitachi EX1900-5 is a colossal crawler excavator, purpose-built for the relentless demands of large-scale mining. With a maximum digging depth of 14 meters and a reach on the ground of 15 meters, this machine extends its powerful arm with unmatched precision and strength. Its cutting height soars to 14 meters, while the dump height reaches an impressive 9 meters, making it a formidable force in any excavation site. Measuring 25 meters in length, 7 meters in width, and 7 meters in height, this rugged machine is designed for peak performance and endurance. Equipped with a robust engine, advanced hydraulic system, and durable construction, the EX1900-5 thrives in the harshest working condition, making every mining task more efficient and reliable. Liebherr R9350. Meet the Liebherr R9350, a titan of the mining world. With a massive operating weight of 302 tons and an engine power of 1,120 kilowatts, this heavy-duty crawler excavator is built for extreme power and efficiency. Its 18 millicurie bucket capacity ensures that every scoop moves an immense volume of earth and rock, drastically boosting productivity. Despite its size, with dimensions of 16.3 meters in length, 7.4 meters in width, and 6.8 meters in height, the R9350 maneuvers with remarkable flexibility, even in tight spaces. Armed with a digging depth of 9.5 meters and an immense digging force of 880 kilonewtons, this excavator is designed for high-performance mining, offering unmatched durability in the most demanding conditions. Number 2. Liebherr R9200. The Liebherr R9200 is a mining powerhouse designed for high-efficiency excavation. an operating weight of 205 tons digging bucket and 210 tons loading bucket, this machine is ready to tackle the toughest mining operations. It boasts an 810 kilowatt engine and a 12.5 millispeeders of bucket capacity, allowing it to move vast amounts of material with unmatched power and speed. The R9200 digs deep, reaching up to 8.4 meters, and its 924 kilonewton digging force ensures no terrain is too tough to handle. Measuring 16.7 meters in length, 7.4 meters in width, and 6.78 meters in height, it is surprisingly maneuverable, making it ideal for both open and confined mining spaces. Engineered for long-lasting performance in extreme environments, the Liebherr R9200 is a game-changer in the mining industry. Number 1. Komatsu 960E1K. At the pinnacle of mining haul trucks, the Komatsu 960E1K stands unrivaled in power, capacity, and innovation. With a mammoth operating weight of 249,475 tons, this giant of the mining world can haul 214 millicuries of material with ease. Its payload capacity of a staggering 32,685 tons makes it one of the most powerful and efficient haul trucks ever built. Powered by a GE dual IGBT AC electric drive system, it delivers continuous retarding power up to 6,000 horsepower, reducing wear and extending brake system longevity. For ultimate safety and performance, the Komatsu 960E-1K features automatic retard speed control, traction and spin slide control, and an automatic lubrication system. With the Eliminator self-cleaning filter, maintenance time is minimized, keeping operations running at maximum efficiency. This is not just a truck, it is a mining revolution, built to handle the toughest challenges while ensuring unparalleled reliability and productivity. Thanks for watching Smart Tech 4K. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic machines and cutting-edge technology. See you next time.